kasama yan sa bawat gig ni Vice.
Yes, at former horado natin siya dito sa Showtime.
Yes, at magkakasama sila ni Vice sa kanyang concert sa May 15.
Kaya mga madlang people, anong sasabihin natin sa kanya?
I love you. Please welcome my baby boy Kian and Kaya Lily. Don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in your eyes and the words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it, no one's beat it, beat it. Tell them how fucking strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it, just beat it. Woo! They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. You gotta stay alive, better do what you can. So beat it, just beat it. You gotta show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth to tell. They'll kick you and they'll beat you, they'll tell you it's fair. So beat it, but you, everybody, beat it, beat it. No one's beat it, beat it. Tell them how fucking strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, just beat it. I love you, Vice. Beat it. No one's beat it, beat it. Tell them how fucking strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it. Showtime! Thank you very much.
Alam nyo guys, dahil nabis natin si Kian, group hug, group hug, group hug.
Namiss ko dito, namiss ko doon. Hello, Magdang people.
Maraming salamat, Kian and Kaya Lily! Ang aming grupo na tayo, malalaman natin yan sa babalik na Your Show!
Your time!
Yeah!